The Mastercam Wildest Parts Competition is a chance for you to show off your Mastercam skills and try to win some cash and a lot of really great prizes. Plus, everyone gets a free t-shirt for completing an entry. The challenge is simple. Create a bold, original item using Mastercam. The Wildest Parts Competition has a long history, with participants going on to great careers as engineers, machinists, and innovators. Don't miss this chance to demonstrate your talent and ingenuity. You can enter as many parts as you like. And students, listen up. You are encouraged to enter parts in the individual and team categories. The top prize in each division is $3,000 of cold hard cash. To get started, go to www.mastercam.com/wildestparts. You'll find contest information and entry forms for each category, in addition to details about sharing your progress on social media with our competition hashtag. So go ahead, think of something you've always wanted to make. What inspires you? Be outrageous, break the mold, do something that is uniquely you. Enter to win the Wildest Parts Competition today.